When phasing treatment, we've got our 3 phases. First of all, we want to get everything biologically stable. Then we want to stabilize the occlusion, and then we move forward to our final restorations. It's incredibly important that we create a stable biological background, so a lot of cases fail because we don't get the perio or the caries taken care of, so we really want to make sure that that's taken care of first. Once we've done that, then we want to get our occlusion stable. Now, a lot of the time, treatment might be quite complicated, and there may be a lot of restorations to place. One of my favorite things to do is the sooner I can get centriculation equal to maximum anticonspation, then the sooner I can start to phase that treatment and take my time to do it. So sometimes we can do that in provisional restorations, sometimes we might do it in composite or transitional restorations. So often we'll make our provisional stents, place the temporary restorations, equilibrate them, and now I can take that case apart one step at a time, maybe the lower anteriors, then the upper anteriors, and then the posterior teeth. And doing that is going to give us enormous ability to be very, very precise and predictable on our outcomes as we move towards those final restorations.